Good afternoon, everyone. Today we keep driving down to the river Loire. It's going to be a bit long to navigate with a bark, maybe, as the river Loire is the longest in France and one of the last wild rivers in Europe. So can we have something faster, maybe? No, thank you. Anything else? Voilà. Great. Welcome on board, my friends. And definitely we can be agree with the French famous writer Honoré de Balzac, who describes the Loire Valley as a hugeness of diversity, a diversity of landscapes, villages, traditional food, terroirs, and few other aspects. So far, more than 50 different wine houses are spreading out along the river, and today we will have the chance to be on the most exciting wine area of the Loire Valley, from the Touraine to the Atlantic Ocean. So for the white wines, it's very easy. Only 3 different white grape varieties are covering and symbolizing the AOCs, the Sauvignon Blanc, the Chenin Blanc, and the Melon de Bourgogne. Sorry, again, Romorantin. Yes, it's true. Romorantin grape. Thank you for making the matters complicated. Thank you very much. So the very rare white Romorantin grape is grown basically on the eastern limit part of the Touraine and planted with only few 60 hectares. You will find this grape nowhere else in France and nowhere else in the world. So according to the legend, the French king François Ier, François I, brought and introduced the Romorantin grape to the Loire Valley in 1518, and especially close to his favorite residence, the magnificent Château de Chambord, designed by Leonardo da Vinci. So the AOC Cours Cheverny lies on the left bank of the river Loire. And as you can see on this map, it stretches inside another AOC, the AOC Cheverny. But unlike the later, Cours Cheverny cannot be a blend and must be made with 100% Romorantin. It has a cool continental climate, influenced by the forests and by the river Loire itself, and the soil are mostly made of sand and clay. So let's have a taste of this enigmatic and unusual white wine. Great! Time to have a swim inside a glass of Cours Cheverny, my friends, with the domaine Hervé Villemade, cuvée Les Acacias, vintage 2017, based on Romorantin grape. So Hervé Villemade is one of the greatest winemakers today under the appellation of Cours Cheverny. He is the 3rd generation who is running over the family business, and he is certified since a long time ago as organic viticulture. So no chemical products to treat the vineyard, no pesticide, no insecticide, low yields, and harvest, and a very massive selection of the grapes. And as he said, there is no point to be a magician inside the cellar if you work and if you bring some biological dead grapes. So healthy vineyard, healthy soil, healthy grapes are the key. The single vineyard of Les Acacias is planted under fairly 1 hectare with vines between 30 and 60 years old, fermented and aged in a large oak barrel during 2 years with a very low human intervention, very little sulfur added, and no filtration at all. The wine shows a very pale gold color with a very intense, charming bouquet on the nose, a lot of fruit, floral, vegetal aromas, but mainly driven with fresh lemon zest and with, limoncello. It's not as much citrusy as limoncello, but thank you. Voilà, so very fresh, zesty lemon, as I said. Definitely green fruit, such as a green apple and a green pear. Definitely an intense bouquet of yellow flowers and with some fresh cut grass from the forest. We can also recognize a touch of anise style on the nose with a hint of honey, and thanks to the wood aging process, the nose delivers a bit of almonds, nuts with a touch of vanilla aromas. So voila, on the palate, the attack is very clean, very vibrant, a lot of energy, a lot of tension, with mineral note and a stony texture, and a delightful balance voilà, between the acidity, the structure, and the flavors. The finish is lively and very attractive, and we can also recognize, as soon as we try the wine on the palate, an organic profile with healthy grapes and the hard work from the winemaker. The wine is pure, the wine is clean, the wine is alive. Voilà, so we have a lovely palette in front of us. Maybe is missing a fresh white flat fish from the River Loire, a couple of good friends, a bit of sun, a lot of magnum of Courcheverny, and c'est parti.